Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Instagram Collabs feature. Now make sure that your Instagram app is updated from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you have done that, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now click on the plus sign at the top right hand screen. Now it will open up the option to create. Now you can do the collaboration with the first two features, that is post and reel. So I'm going to create a post here just to show you, and I'm going to choose a picture here and then click on next here from the top, again next. Okay, now on this screen, before you share it or do the right thing from the top right hand screen, you need to tag people here. Click on the tag people option after adding the caption and all. Now you can see two options at the bottom, add tag and invite collaborator. You can do the on invite collaborator here. Now you need to type in a name here, name of the person whom you want to tag. Suppose I'm going to type in a name here. So now you can see it has just been tagged as a collaborator here. You can see at the bottom. Now if I will share it right now, then a request will be made to their Instagram account, and they need to accept it. Once they accept it, then it will show as a collaborator on your post. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.